Perched on this hill above Woodinville wine country is the wonderful community of Vintners Ridge. I'm really excited to share with you this beautiful Burnstead home. Let's go have a look. The first thing you'll notice is the attention to detail that this premium local builder is known for. From the craftsman millwork, rich finishes, and smart layout, you're sure to feel right at home. This main floor features a home office and a great room perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing. The large double slider doors open up onto the outdoor living space with low maintenance yard and a hot tub. Heading back inside, let's check out the upstairs. Here you'll find a generous primary suite, a decadent 5-piece bathroom. In fact, this red velvet makes this closet, dare I say, opulent. Down the hall, you'll enjoy this 4th bedroom / bonus room. In addition to this bedroom, and this bedroom in here. Oh my God! Oh my God! Rainbow! Oh my God! It's so bright!
Whoa, that's a full rainbow.
All of this and in a fantastic Kirkland location with phenomenal schools. Thanks for joining us today. Please contact us today for a private tour. Cheers.